Hi everybody, it's Rowan. Welcome back to the channel. I'm coming to you Friday night in Chatswood, a small town in Sydney, Australia. Actually not a small town, it's a big city. But I wanted to talk to you about a TV show that went to air on one of our Aussie TV channels. It caused quite a global, big, huge, dramatic controversy. I watched a show that went to air and I have my own opinions and I want to talk about that tonight. But if you haven't seen it yet, here is a clip from the episode that went to air.
I'm Erin Molan.
And I am gluten intolerant.
And this is 20 to 1.
Tonight on an all-new 20 to 1, we're counting down the greatest global crazes.
Number 18 global craze is so popular it could heal the rift between North and South Korea.
Provided Kim Jong-un is well into boy bands.
At number 18, it's the biggest band you've never heard of.
You don't know that. I'm fully down with the kids.
This is BTS, the South Korean One Direction.
Yeah, never heard them.
When I first heard something Korean had exploded in America, I got worried. So I guess could have been worse. But not much worse.
And exploded they have. They're the first Korean act to have a #1 in America, which is made even more impressive because only one band member actually speaks English.
And I really started getting into this wormhole of their lyrics. And one of them was, this meeting is like mathematical formula. I mean, if that doesn't get the girls across the line.
I have no idea what they're singing about, but these guys are great. Their choreo is great. Their singing is passable.
God, I love these guys' totally gangster names. You got Rat Monster, J-Hope, V, Sugar, Jimin, Jin, and Jungkook.
There's 7 members. That is a lot. That is 2 hire cars. Surely you could fire 4 of them. That way you just have to hire a sedan and everyone have a nice bit of leg room.
BTS have over 5 billion YouTube views and #1 hits in 73 countries.
They were the most tweeted about celebs for the last 2 years running, and they even spoke at the UN.
What about?
I'm going to say hair products.
We truly have the best fans in the world.
These fans are hardcore. I asked if any of them were gay, and just even asking that question upset these fans so much. I'm like, it's just math.
So I feel like BTS are a really big band. They're also the new old people barometer. Like, if you've heard of them, you're young. If you're not, retirement home.
What do you think? Was it racist? I sympathise with the BTS fans because they attacked BTS and along with you, the BTS army. And when you attack something that you're passionate about, of course you're going to react. You're going to react passionately and you're probably going to react angrily or with a little bit of hate. But Aussie humour is very dry, so the execution might have been missed or lost in translation. I hope that you don't take Australians all the same way. I think if you come to our country or any country, you're going to find people that are going to be racist. It's just the way it is. I mean, I like BTS. Please don't send me hate mail. Please subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.